friends. It's such a beautiful day. I decided to come outside and read you today's story called We're Going on a Nature Hunt. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Come on, now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge, a narrow and shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's go find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. Do you see how many friends are going on the nature hunt? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right, let's see what's on the other side. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. What color flowers did they seem to find? They look like the flowers you found last week. Yellow, right? We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high, we'll search low. We're going on a nature hunt. Come on, it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkly pond. What's in the pond? Let's go find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. Guess what's in the pond? A slippery, sloppery frog. There he is. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Come on, it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Down in the ground, dig, dig, dig. What do you think they'll find down there? Do you know what they find if they dig down in the dirt? What do you think? A worm, a wiggly, jiggly worm. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in the tree? They're gonna climb up and see what's in the tree. Do you have a guess? I think I have a guess. I was right. Were you right? They found a scritchety, scratchety nest, a bird's nest. Look at those eggs. It's a robin's nest. But it's very important. Don't touch the eggs. Oh, listen. Do you hear a noise? What is that noise? Bzz, bzz. It's making a buzzing sound. Friends, what is that in the tree? Can you see? It's making a buzzing sound. I think that means it's a bee. Run! Back down the tree, back through the meadow, back across the pond, back over the bridge. And they were home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. The end.